Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how you can get free Steam gift card codes on PC, iPhone, iPad, or any device that you might have. So without further ado, let's get started. So before we get into the bulk of it, I just want to say a few things. First of all, this video is not sponsored by... And second of all, you do need to be 13 years old at least to use this website. So just getting that out of the way, I'm going to show you how to do all that right now. So a while ago, I found out this another YouTuber I watch sometimes. It's actually a super cool website where you can redeem Steam gift cards, Fortnite V-Bucks gift cards, and even Amazon gift cards. And there are even more gift cards than that. There are a lot of gift cards you can redeem with this site. So we're just gonna hop on and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So the website is actually super nice. It's got a really nice UI and design, and it's super user friendly. Not sponsored, by the way. So that's basically how that works. And you can already start earning coins to redeem on Steam gift cards. If you do, for instance, want to start redeeming on a Steam gift card, you can push the withdrawal button, and as you can actually see, Steam isn't the only option, although this is the one we're looking at right now, which is amazing. This site is super good for anybody wanting to get Steam gift cards or CSGO skins or anything like that. I haven't been using this site for, super long, and all you're going to want to do is go to one of these offer walls. Any offer wall will be fine, although some may have better offers than others at different points in time. So basically all of them are pretty good right now. Anyway guys, I know that was a pretty short video, but thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I really hope this helped you if you want to get, Steam gift cards pretty quickly, or maybe you're around my age and you just want to, earn a few bucks towards, an Amazon item. But I hope this helped you, and I'll see you in the next video.